you want to say anything before we leave, or do you just want to eat your blanket? Yep, I guess that answers that. Why did you put that on your head? That's not a good idea. Oh. What's up, guys? So due to popular demand, I put this clip online. I wasn't really hot on the idea of putting a clip of this guy falling, but it was pretty cute, right? And it was ridiculously cute and funny. So after the family and friends all told me it was like the funniest thing they ever seen, I was like, okay, I will put it online. So I, of course, rushed to his rescue as soon as the clip ended, and within like 10 to 15 seconds, he was like smiling and happy again, so he wasn't hurt at all. What is that noise? Nothing? Okay, so he wasn't hurt at all. He was just kind of shooken up from falling backwards blindfolded. And yeah, their lesson learned, right, guy? We're not gonna do blindfolded walking anymore. High five. Yeah. Ryden, I kind of wonder though, why did you put the blanket around your head and start walking around? That doesn't seem that smart at all, buddy. Because you knew it'd be cute. And then you grab the blanket. But with babies, they literally are always slipping and falling and bumping into things all over the place. I'm just glad he had some protection this time, right? I love you, buddy. You're the best thing that I've ever done with my life, you know that? So I hope you guys got a kick out of all this. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more cute Ryden footage, click that right there. That is the cutest baby montage ever, which is my favorite video of him and I. It's like the highlights of the last 16 months with the little guy. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, click that right there. That'll give you more skateboarding skits, pranks, randomness, and cute baby footage like this. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the future. Music time.